Confusing words in English, your and your. The main difference between the two is that the first one, your, is a second person possessive adjective, while the second one, you apostrophe re, is a contraction. Now let's take them one by one. Once again, the first your is a second person possessive adjective. Second person meaning it relates to the person you are talking to. Possessive meaning it shows ownership or belonging. Something is owned by you or something belongs to you. And adjective, which means it usually comes before a noun or a gerund. Reminder that the gerund is the ing form, verb plus ing, and it also works as a noun. Now let's move to the second your. This one, as I have said earlier, is a contraction. When we say contraction, it is the shortened form of a word or phrase. So we use apostrophe to replace the omitted letters. For example, we have can't, the contraction of cannot. Don't, the contraction of do not, and also won't, the contraction of will not. So in this case, with your, this is the contraction of you are. We used the apostrophe in place of the omitted letter, which is the A. So we got your. Here is an example sentence for your, the second person possessive adjective. Your designs look great. So in this sentence, your is an adjective that modifies the noun designs. So the sentence means you own the designs. The designs belong to you. On the other hand, here's an example sentence for your, the contraction of you are. You're a terrific designer. So this sentence, if we expand it, will become you are a terrific designer. So how will you avoid misuse of the words? It's simply reread and replace. Try to read your sentence once again and then replace it with you are. If the sentence makes sense, then you are definitely on the right track. One of the most frustrating mistakes that many people commit is replying when someone says thank you. So which is the best way to respond? Is it A or B? Of course, it's definitely B. You're welcome or you are welcome. Now let's have some practice. Number 1, can I borrow your phone? The correct answer is your, the possessive form. Here, the sentence means that you are the owner of the phone. Number 2, I am glad you're my friend. Here, the correct answer is your. If we expand it, I am glad you are my friend. Here are some sentences for you to practice more. Comment your answers and I will reply if you got it correctly or not. This is the lesson summary. If you have questions or clarifications, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.